Today we will talk about the process which is almost at everyone's house. It is our daily need. We are talking about reverse osmosis, also known as RO system. Today in this whole world, everyone is using RO purifier for water purification. We are also using RO system in the industry to purify different solutions. So what is reverse osmosis RO? Reverse osmosis is the membrane treatment process primarily used to separate dissolved solids from water. Reverse osmosis is most commonly known for its use in drinking water purification, particularly with regard to removing salt and other efficient materials from water molecules. Before talking about RO in detail, let's understand different terminologies. So guys, before going into different terminologies, just make sure to like our channel. If you still didn't subscribe our channel, just subscribe it. So first of all, let us know what is semi-permeable membrane. First of all, reverse osmosis refers to the process of separating dissolved solids from the water. The semi-permeable membrane is used for the reverse osmosis process because water molecules can pass through this membrane, but majority of the bacteria, dissolved salts, pyrogen and organics are not allowable. It is the selective barrier that allows some molecules to pass through it while stops others. So what is osmosis? It is the process where the less concentrated solution passes through a semi-permeable membrane to a more concentrated solution. So what is concentrated? Concentrated refers to the chemical solution that have high concentration of the large amount of solute in the solution. If the solution is concentrated to the point where no more solute will be dissolved in the solvent, it is said to be saturated. A dilute solution contains small amount of solute compared with the amount of solvent. So again recall what is reverse osmosis. It is the exact opposite process than osmosis where more solvent from the more concentrated solution will pass through the dilute solution through a semi-permeable membrane. So let us know what is osmotic pressure. It is the pressure that stops the flow of dilute solution to concentrated solution through a semi-permeable membrane. To purify the water, we need to remove the salts and ions from the concentrated water. For that we need a particular setup which is shown in the figure. Here we are using the membrane to separate the solvent and solute. On one side we are putting the pure solvent, on the other side we are putting a concentrated solution. Naturally, a pure solvent will flow towards the concentrated solution to equalize the concentration on both sides. If we apply the pressure on the concentrated solution higher than its osmotic pressure, then the pure solvent will flow in the opposite direction, which is from the concentrated solution to the pure solvent, by leaving ions, salts and other impurities on the same side because it can't pass through the membrane. Membrane selection is very crucial in the RO purifier. Let us understand with an example. Many porous membranes are available to purify water. Cellulose acetate is very efficient membrane for water purification. The membrane of the cellulose acetate with 40% acetyl removes 95 to 98 of salts at 50 to 90 atmospheric pressure. But the only drawback is water flux is very low. What is cellulose acetate? Cellulose acetate is used as the film base in the photography, as a compound in some coatings, and as a frame material for eyeglasses. It is also used in synthetic fiber in the manufacture of cigarette filters and playing cards. So let me clarify about water flux. Water flux is defined as the volume of the water that passes through the membrane per unit time per unit area. To increase the salt rejection efficiency, we can increase acetyl content, but it will reduce water flux drastically. Then the new membrane is discovered with the asymmetric cellulose acetate of thickness 1 micrometer. So guys, I hope you clear about this process. So let us know about what is advantages and disadvantages of reverse osmotic process. So first of all, let us know what is advantage of reverse osmosis process. There are 5 points to know this process advantage for us. For the first point is it has very compact design, so we can fit it anywhere. This is the important point. And the second important point is it removes not only salts, it removes minerals, bacteria, viruses and metal particles. The third point is the life of the membrane is more than 1.5 years. The parts are replaceable and easily available. It is efficient at atmospheric temperature only. So there are 4 points to describe this process disadvantage for us. The first point is it removes all the minerals, so it will cause bone problem if we drink RO water for a long time. It also removes beneficial minerals. It rejects a high quantity of wastewater. Need to be replaced filter after a periodic time. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of the reverse osmosis process. So guys, I hope you understand this process. If you still didn't subscribe our channel, just subscribe it guys.